In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok loading problem and no internet connection issues on TikTok. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search TikTok application. Tap on TikTok application. Tap on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix TikTok loading problem or no internet connection problem on TikTok. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok loading problem or no internet connection problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.